Part of it is one-off, right? They had the Red Sea conflict, which had 2 weeks of production out in Europe. You had the pull forward of demand into Q4 because of the IRA expiry and the Model 3. Definitely Q4 was super strong in 2023. That came out of Q1. So there are things like that. You also had the Berlin Giga arson. So all of those things probably accounted for tens of thousands, I would argue, of missed volumes. But the miss was so big, right? It's supposed to be 440,000. It came in 387,000. So some of it is probably underlying weakening demand in the US and in China and in Europe. Tough to say how much is which. Probably most of it is one-time in nature, but definitely a part of it is going to be something that's going to impact them for the rest of the year.
Tom, long-term prospects for Tesla can't be that bad, can they? Otherwise, you wouldn't have an outperformed rating on the stock and a $298 price target.
That's right. I mean, look, they just launched a free trial of FSD, which could be pick things up in Q2. Numbers are definitely going to come down for Q2. So, and look, the stock, despite this performance today, is only down like 4.5%, which makes me think that expectations are already really low. FSD is an incredible product. They have the version 12 out there now. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos. People really impressed by this product. Maybe that gets people in the showrooms. Maybe it gets people to subscribe to it. Maybe it gets people to buy cars. So there is that near-term catalyst, but bigger than everything else, most of my valuation is on things like energy storage, something nobody's talking about, huge opportunity for them, and also autonomy, right? If FSD works, now it's a software business with a software multiple. So if they get that take rate up and people subscribing, I could see folks like myself start writing colorful reports talking about AI and autonomy. And it's a narrative stock, right? So longer term, that's really where my valuation is, not in the car business, but on energy storage and autonomy.